Hi friend, this is Sumir. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make different types of shapes just in one sprite. To make different types of shapes in one sprite, I'll use Toby. So I'll take when flag click from events, then I'll go to add extension and take pen extension, then I'll take pen up, erase all, then I'll take the Toby to center, means go to x0 y0. Now point in direction 90, then the clear slate work is done. Now I'll take pen down. If you don't use this code, then the Toby or the sprite you have choose, it will don't draw anything. So I have take the pen down. Now I'll draw a square. So to draw a square, I'll take move 10 steps and I'll make it 100. Now 100 more steps done. Now I'll make it to turn 90-degree. Yeah, then move 100 steps again, then 90-degree. This is how you can duplicate it and use it again. Like this, the work is now done. Means now the Toby has made a square. Now I am now I will take pen up from pen extension. Then I'll go to move. Means I'll go to motion and I'll take go to 119 and y 95, so that it will go to one corner. Means I am changing the place to draw another shape. I'll draw now triangle, and for that I'll take another pen color, then set pen color to what shall I color take? Okay, I'll take red. Yeah, I'll take red. Now over here, some of your people may think why I took this pen up. It is used in the clear slate, but no, these are used in many other things, because pen up is a thing, means you can change the place of the sprite so that you can draw and some other thing by just one only sprite. Means if I take pen up, if you are drawing on a page, and if you took if you took one pencil and if you take it up, then you can't draw, but when you touch it on the page, you can start drawing. So the same thing over here, if you put pen up, then it won't start draw. So this is the example I take here. I make 100 steps. The Toby has went to another place. Just he is moving, but it's not showing that, means the line. But instead of it, if I put pen down, then see the line appeared. But now if I remove pen down, then it won't. So like this you can draw another shape. Means you can draw many types of shape just by one sprite. So I'll draw a triangle over here. So, okay, then I'll go to this motion turn. I'll take turn 45 degrees. No, 45 degrees isn't okay. 145, yeah, 145 is okay. Then I'll take more 120 steps. Or it's 1, 2. Yeah, now it's correct. Here it came, no, still it's not okay. Yeah, I will take 110. Now yes, now it's, I think so, now it's perfect. Now I will take turn. Then I will enter one. Yeah, 100 degree means no, it's still not correct. I'll take one. Yeah, 120. No, 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 it's not okay. You may do as your convenience. So, as you want to make your shapes, you can draw it. I'll take now 120. Okay. Yeah, now it's correct. Now I'm making 100 steps. Now here, just a little gone up. I'll make it 50, 70. Yeah, 70. I think so. It's correct. A little mistake has done in my triangle, but this is for you. You may do perfect in your project where you want to do. I have just shown how to make different types of shapes in just one sprite. You may do this in your project. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.